What is going on, everyone? I hope you're having an amazing day today. My name's Tom, and today we are back in Google FEUD for another round of absolute shit show of questions. So if you didn't catch the previous video, I will link it down in the description, but today we're going to do a much more professional take on Google FEUD than we did last time, because I jumped in at the deep end and didn't really know what I was doing. But today I've got a feel for it, so we're going to go from left to right like I did before and go culture. So coconut milk, coconut oil, coconut butter, I don't even know, coconut cream, oh, coconut shower gel, coconut hair, yes. Coconut water, why didn't I think that? Coconut rice, oil for hair. Fair enough, I got oil, so I can't complain. 21,000 from the first round, we're getting good. So let's go people. Why do people like... Let's jump in at deep end, oh well. Why do people like weed? Why do people like alcohol? Why do people fucking write stupid shit on Google? Why do people... That's pretty much alcohol. No, it is alcohol. Game of Thrones, spicy food, Pokemon Go, me. Why do people like me? As if people actually search that on Google. Let's go names, Tyler. Oh, why did I just say Tyler? I actually feel like fucking a retard, such a retard now. I can't believe I just put that. Let's just put Tyler Oakley in. Tyler Perry. Oh, Tyler Joseph. We've got to roll. We're on a roll. I can't think of any more. So we could have had Tyler Perry, which we got. The Tyler the Creator, Tyler Joseph, what we got, Tyler Austin, Tyler Hoechlin, Tyler Posley, Tyler Oakley, which we got. Sorry, I said Tyler Oakley there, Tyler Perry, Tyler Henry, Tyler Johnson, and Tyler Perry movies. So let's go next round. I think we did names then, so let's go questions. What happens if you microwave... What? Let's put oxygen, see. Oh, okay. I don't even know. What happens if you microwave... Oh my god. I'm not entirely certain what I just did, but if you just saw that, then I accidentally clicked the Google FEUD icon at the top whilst I was trying to click the icon to type, so I've just reset my game by accident, so we're going to start over. But if you just saw that final question, then it said what happens if you microwave, and I've seen it a few places before, and as far as I know it's microwave a cat. That's the top answer. I'm not entirely sure, but that is pretty messed up. Does Canada have water, air, people? I could not think of anything for that. Culture. The iPhone 6 is shit. Good. If I don't get one for this, I'm not going to be fucking happy. The iPhone 6 is big. Oh, too big. I did not put that, but I got it anyway. The iPhone 6 is, it's not actually too big. It's 4.7 fucking inch display. I mean, unless you're a dwarf, it's not too big. The iPhone 7 is, iPhone 6 is over. Is it one word? Oh shit. Okay, so there was only 7 fucking answers. Right, okay then. People. I think life is fun. good. What the? I think life is... Let's just go right in it deep end. Miserable. Meaningless. A gift tied... What? I think life is a gift Titanic. Okay. Cynthia. Oh, I don't even know. I could not have thought of any more. Should I quit? Here we go. Smoking. Oh, should I quit? Fuck! Oh, come on, we can think of another one. Oh my... Should I... Oh... Why was I thinking... I was actually thinking smoking weed. Wow. Let's go culture again. Star Wars is... amazing. Bad. Okay. You're wrong. Star Wars is... unreal. Star Wars is the future. Okay. Star Wars is gay. Way to put it out there. Star Wars is real. Star Wars is overrated. Star Wars is awesome. Wait a sec. No, I didn't put that. Star Wars is dead. Star Wars is kinda gay. Half the points. More the answer. Star Wars is lame. Star Wars is live. Star Wars is ruined. Star Wars is bad. That's what I got. People. I'm too fat to run. Exercise. Why? Jump. I'm too fat to diet. Be a hipster. Be a hipster shirt. Pretty sure everybody is too fat to be a hipster shirt. I'm pretty sure everybody. I'm pretty fucking sure it's impossible to be an inanimate object. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm too fat to be loved. I'm too fat to cosplay. I'm too fat to wipe front to back. I don't even want to know what that's supposed to mean. I'm too fat to date. I'm too fat to walk. Wait a sec. Now I put walk. I'm too fat to move. I'm too fat to run. I'm too fat to be pretty. Okay then. Peter. Number 1. Oh my god. I clicked the I, but what? Wait, if this is number 1, swear to God. Hang on. Pete. Huh? Peter Andre wasn't even on there. Oh well. Should I start smoking? Should I start drinking? Wait, should I start smoking weed? Should I start working? I cannot spell today. Should I start a blog? Should I start a business? Should I start an double LC? Should I start a YouTube channel? Do it. Should I start smoking? Should I start playing WoW? Should I start vaping? Should I start running? Should I start Game of Thrones? Should I start wearing makeup? I have no clue. Culture. Polar bears are white. Right, you know what? I was putting it out there because why not? I mean, at the end of the day, this game is what the majority's put, and what the majority's put so far is fucking stupid. Polar bears are cold-blooded. Oh, for fuck's sake. Black. Black. Are you actually fucking joking? Dying, left-handed, endangered, thriving, actually black. What is wrong with people? Clear. Dying, vine. In danger, found in. So that's the end of that's not even a fucking finished sentence. People, when is the next bus? train. Oh, you know what's the most fucking hurting thing in my mind now? The fact that Pokemon Go update was 6,000 points on there. Why? Pokemon Go update came before. When is the next World Cup? I'm done. Why is my girlfriend so... pretty? Annoying. Let's just do that one. Why is my girlfriend so loud? Why is my girlfriend so mean? Why is my girlfriend so cute, crazy, weird, amazing, lazy, jealous, emotional, dumb, needy? Let's just go one more and we'll go for names. Why is it Tyler again? You know what? No, I'm not having that. I know it's just reset the game, but we're going to go for that again because, you know. Kevin Hart, Kevin Prince, Kevin and Perry. Okay, Kevin Hart wedding. There's 3 things to do with fucking Kevin Hart on there. I knew Kevin Bacon was going to come on, but I do not like that bloke, so I'm not going to put him on. We had internet once. It was a bag of shit, and he's to blame. Anyway, guys. Rant over. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you've enjoyed this video, please let me know what you thought of it in the comment section below. And if you'd be kind enough to go and subscribe, I produce daily content for you guys. I hate for you guys to miss out on any of my content. And please go and slap at that like button if you've enjoyed this video. So anyway, guys, let me know if you'd like to see more of Google FEUD. I'm enjoying doing it. I hope you guys are enjoying watching it. My name's been Tom, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.